As four-wheel drivers, we love spending money protecting our four-wheel drives. Steel bull bars, underbody protection, side rails, all things to toughen up the vehicle. But is the car really protected? All those accessories, they add up in price. There's around 10 grand there, easily. What if it all goes wrong and the car's written off somehow? Are you covered for that 10 grand's worth of accessories, or is that just thrown away? You want to go with an insurance company that knows four-wheel drivers and what they do. The guys at Club 4x4, they are four-wheel drivers and they know the places we go to, the sort of stuff we fit on our cars. Everything's covered on it. All your accessories fitted, the vehicle itself. So long as you document all that stuff when you put it on there. Let them know what you got, let them know what it's worth, and it's all covered. The other thing with Club 4x4, they cover you everywhere you go. Whether you're on a gazetted road, non-gazetted road, private property, in a back paddock, doesn't matter. So long as you're not doing anything stupid, illegal, do it all by the book. Club 4x4 Insurance, they keep you covered. It's the sort of security you really want to know you've got no matter where you're travelling around Australia.